Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Domain of a function.
What does the dictionary say?
The set of all possible inputs for the function.
Math rap.
In the process of its construction, the domain is the values that go into a function. The process is not too strange. You got the domain, function, and range.
Math rap.
A function relates to input and output. You can use it to determine range, like how a tree grows. What other examples can you list of where tracking input and output for range could be very helpful? What careers require people to input information into a computer to get some sort of reading, calculation, or range? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!